Enabling the limit IP address. Tracking feature on your iPhone 16 enhances your privacy by controlling whether your device shares your IP address with certain websites and services, particularly when using cellular data. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Cellular. Then, tap on Cellular Data Options. To continue, scroll down and tap on Limit IP Address Tracking. Finally, toggle the switch next to it to turn the feature on. When enabled, this feature hides your IP address from known trackers in Mail and Safari. It enhances your privacy by making it harder for websites to create a unique profile of your online activity. You can use it as an additional layer of privacy protection when you're using cellular data on your iOS device, as it reduces the ability of websites and services to identify and track your online activities across different sites. And that's it! Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.